YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiara. Today I decided to go with a more natural look. This is something that I do for like everyday purposes, if I'm going to work, or if I just want to have a more casual look for the day. If you guys want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, give this video a thumbs up. First, I'm going to start off with my Fenty primer to reduce any oil that I have on my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Benefit KaBrow in shade number 5. This is honestly my number one go-to for filling in my brows. I used to use a pencil, but ever since I came across this, it's much easier to fill in my brows with, and also it's very easy to maneuver and build up on it with product to get the look that I'm going for. Clean up my brows, I'm using my matte concealer in the shade NW45, and when I clean up my brows I like to use a flat brush because it's easier and I can build up product if need be. And I'm just going to outline my brows into the shape that I want them to be. If I want to make them longer, shorter, I do everything with this one brush. Priming my lids with the LA Girl Pro Primer. The primer helps when it comes to getting eyeshadow color to look exactly how it looks in the pigment itself, and also it helps control with the fallout. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Morphe 350 palette. Since this is a more of a natural look, I'm going to be using that brown color in my crease. On my lid, I'm going to be going in with that lighter brown shade. And I'm not going to tap it in or anything, I'm just going to brush it in to make sure it is blended well with the color in my crease. For the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to be going in with that gold shade, and I'm just going to tap it in. If you don't like to do highlights in the inner corner of your eye, then you don't have to, but that's just something that I like to do. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Waterproof Eyeliner. I started to do a wing liner, but I didn't like it, so I went off camera and I took it off, and I just went back in on the corner of my eyelid with that brown shade to clean it up a bit. And I also used my Wet n Wild eyeliner to clean up my top liner just a little bit more and make it more defined how I wanted it. For my waterline, I'm just going in with my Wet n Wild Cream eyeliner. foundation, I'm using the Nars All Day Luminous Weightless foundation in the shade Benares. This foundation is supposed to be matte, but in my opinion, it's a little oilier than what I would expect it to be. For my highlight, I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn under my eye, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. For my contour, I'm going in with my black Radiance concealer, and I'm just contouring my jawline, my nose, underneath my chin, and around my forehead. To set my highlight, I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to put that in all the areas that I use my Pro Concealer. While my highlight is setting, I'm just going to go in with my Naked Decay Illuminated highlighter in the shade Aura and go under my eyebrow. And I'm just going back in with that brown shade for my crease, and I'm just blending it out a little bit more with that highlight. Now to set my entire face, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade Dark Deep. To highlight my cheekbones and my nose and also my cupid's bow, I'm going to be using the Naked Decay highlighter that I used earlier to highlight my brow bone. Starting out with lining my lips, I'm using the NYX Suede lip liner. Typically when I line my lips, I like to use a dark brown color first, no matter what shade of lipstick I'm using. Now I'm going in with the shade Whirl and my MAC lipstick. On top of that, I'm going to use the Kylie Apricot matte lipstick. For my mascara, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Extreme Dimension Waterproof Mascara. I typically like to use 1 to 2 coats. Set my face, I'm using the Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. This is the final look. If you guys love this look, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.